see the iVue's application, because there's multiple applications. It could be even like for hospitals, carrying organs from A to B, right? Or making deliveries of some sort, carrying passengers, or taking imagery of the world, right? Or creating content. Where do you see the iVue's direction?
Yeah, so instead of trying to build like the best flying camera drone, which we're never going to beat DJI.
Right, there's already a competitor.
Right. And we're not going to build the best like crop spraying drone for agriculture, the best like drone that is like specifically made for roofing. But what we're doing is taking the approach, we can build a base drone platform, the hardware and the software that can be customized as each mission requires. So having almost like a personal computer or a car that can be used across many different facets, both commercially and from like a recreational or consumer perspective. I guess more tangibly, think about having one drone like at your own household, right, that you could send out to the local Amazon locker, fast food restaurant, retail store. So that one drone basically becomes a personal delivery or courier assistant, right? And so it does the equivalent of curbside pickup. Instead of you spending $5 or $3 or whatever to have Amazon or Walmart use one of their delivery drones, which I still think will be a possibility as it already is. I think it will make more sense for most people in the way that you buy and own your own car and your own computer, that each household, each business has their own drone or drones that they use, not just for deliveries, but when they're not using it for deliveries, it could water your garden, fertilize your yard, send your kids out to go play laser tag with it because you're tired of them playing, video games inside all day. So you send them outside. Or actually, we just recently had my dog run out of our, fenced-in yard, and he comes back. But it would also be great to just set up a drone on an automated mission. Hey, go map out this neighborhood and drop a pin on the map anytime you detect my dog, right? Either entering in the search bar, dog, or even better yet, if you want a more granular, detailed search, do it like a reverse image search. So you upload a photo of your dog in particular, right? So
this is really cool because it's a very versatile technology, and it's almost like an aid to have in our, in our personal use. And do you think this is going to be more B2C or B2B?
Yes, it's both. And and in the same way, like Microsoft Word, right? People use that personally for business, and it's also the biggest product that's bought in the government as well. And computers, cars, I think if you can build something for the everyday consumer, chances are it's going to work for that everyday consumer that's just also now in a suit in their business role, or within uniform within the military.
So it's got a wide use. It's a disruptive technology. And people are still learning what drones are, how can they be used, right? So new market, new product.
Right.
So it's very exciting times, right? So I would think that you have to find a few segments that work for you, first and foremost, so explore those segments and then, go into other segments that work. So which segment do you think is the first segment you're going to target?